Welcome to WordPress. In this video, I will guide you through how to check structured data support in your website or how to check rich snippets support in your website. Structured data that appears on Google search results is of many types, such as frequently asked questions, breadcrumbs, product-rich results, location-based results, or local business results, knowledge graph or organization search results. If you search a business such as IBM, you will see this knowledge graph and social profiles about the business. If you search a question such as what is microprocessor, you will see frequently asked questions answered by different websites. You can click on a question to see which website is answering that question. If you search for best restaurants, you will see results from Google Places and Google Maps, suggesting and directing you towards business nearby you. So do you see such rich results in Google and wonder why your website does not appear in search results like this? Or why your website does not even rank in Google search results? This is because Google uses structured data to understand the content on the page and shows that content in a richer appearance in search results, which is called a rich result. If you have not designed your website to support rich results in search engines, your website will not perform best in search engines. This is why structured data is important. You have to mark content in your website with relevant category. To do that, first find out how many rich result types Google supports. Search structured data markup that Google search supports, and you will find this page on Google Search Central documentation. It lists data types that are supported. For example, article. A news, sports, or blog article displayed in various rich result features such as the title of the article and larger than thumbnail images. Book actions, breadcrumb, carousel, dataset, discussion forum, education questions and answers, employer aggregate rating, events, frequently asked questions, job posting, local business, organization, product, profile page, recipe, and so on. Once you know the data types, you can mark your website pages accordingly. To check what type of rich result a page supports, use this tool, Rich Results Test by Google. It is search.google.com/test/rich-results. Provide page URL and hit Test URL button. It detected two items on this page: breadcrumbs and site links search box. Clicking on View Tested Page shows more details. Using this tool will show you if your page supports any rich data type or not. If not, then you need to add rich data support in your website. If you use WordPress, it's fairly easy to assign a data category to a page. Schema and structured data for WP and AMP plugin allows you to do it. I have created a detailed video on it already. I will show you plugin features briefly here. After activating this plugin, this plugin adds schema and structured data section under each post or page. To assign structured data type, you should add structured data types from plugin options or settings. Then you can use their data type. After doing that, just select data type for each post and page and you are set. For example, for this page, I can select article, and if I need to, I can modify article schema output by clicking this button. We can also use custom schema for this page. Then we have Yoast SEO plugin. After activating, it also adds a schema tab below each post and page. From here, you can adjust content schema. If you need to change default type, you can do so under content types in plugin settings. So this is how you can check schema and adjust it to improve your website SEO to rank better in search engines. I hope it helped. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.